Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about how to read a text file using C#. So let's just start by importing system.io just to keep that in the mind. Okay, so you guys need to import, it's a good practice to remember what we're gonna do. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna read a text file. We already have a text file right here. We have this myfile.txt and I'm going to import this file. To do that, I'm going to create a string called path, which be equal myfile.txt, and I need to use double quotes. Okay, so I have this myfile.txt, and in the last video what we did was to take a string and write to a file. But in this video we're going to do the opposite. We're going to take a file and read that into a string. So let's create a string called content. Okay, so this string will receive the content of the file. Let's use the equal sign to assign this variable, and let's use the function file, the class file, and the method read all text. Okay, so let's use the read all text, which takes it just the path. Okay, let's pass path, and then if I run I wanted to show the content of this string, I'm just gonna call the content of the document is, and let's this and concatenate. So let's just do that, and if I run this, I'm gonna see that this the content of let me just increase the font a little bit to 24. Let's run again. Okay, so you guys can see we have the content of the document is, and we have the content that is inside the document. So that's how you can easily read a text file using C#. That's another ways to do that, and we're gonna discuss them all later on. But again, thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time.